All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. We got our new mama goat Gina out here, and we're gonna do some quick milking on her, just to help her. Her udders are really full, and these little guys are having trouble trying to even latch on. So let's go ahead and get to that, and we'll probably make some goat cheese with what we get here. So stay tuned for that video, and I do have other videos on that as well. So let's get into it. Major, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Stand right here and make sure she stays in that, okay? She's chowing down. Yeah. Being a good girl. And you can see they're biting her sides. Look at the size of her teats there.
Oh! Shut up.
Yeah, that's okay. Alright, so we'll clean these off with some alcohol and get the milk in here.
A baby just came through.
Salad. Yeah. All right, so we got those cleaned off. All right. And you can see the milk coming out. We gotta get this one over here going. There it goes. Now it's starting to come out. Oh! That's going to relieve all that pressure in there too. This thing works awesome. Make sure to check out the video on how to make one of these. So much better than hand pumping. Just press a button. And it's cordless, or you can plug it in. Alright, so I don't know what happened there, but I switched over to the hand pump and got some more milk here. So let's head inside and start making some cheese. So we got roughly 1 gallon here. Alright, so now we're going to add our gallon of milk. Wife's doing dinner over here, but we're going to go ahead and bring this up to a boil, and it should get like a little foamy. Alright, so now we're starting to get up to a boil here, and you saw in my other videos how I used animal rennet or Mesophillic. We're going to use half a cup of white vinegar. You can use other vinegars depending on your taste, but we'll go ahead and add half a cup. And you can already see the curds starting to form. Oh yeah, look at that. Right away. Look at that. So our curds and whey have formed. We're going to go ahead, get a cheesecloth, and I got a strainer here into a bowl. We're going to go ahead and separate the two now.
My mom is not here and there's no snacks left except for popcorn.
Alright, so now we're gonna tie this up. And we're gonna let that drain. Alright, so there we go, that works. And like I said, this is using vinegar. You can use animal rennet or Mesophillic. Check out our other video on using the animal rennet and Mesophillic. This is just regular distilled vinegar. And there's the whey being separated. Alright, so we're down to a slow drip, and there's our whey. We got our cheese press out here, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and take this, we're going to get the knots out here, and we're going to place it inside and start pressing it. And you can, at this point, you could open this up and add sea salt, onion, garlic, whatever you want to add to it. We're just doing plain right now, and then you can sprinkle a little of whatever you want onto it. Alright. Get our press on. Now we can tighten this down. And as we tighten it, you can see the whey starting to come out the bottom here. That's why it's good to have a pan underneath here. Catch everything. And we'll let that set up. You can hear the air being squeezed out. And we're going to give it a turn every now and then, just to keep it pressing. Alright, so now we can loosen this up. Alright, and there we go. Nice big heavy chunk of goat cheese. That's a lot of goat cheese there. So we got our birthday cake of goat cheese now. And we got our leftover whey, and we're possibly gonna make some ricotta with this. And stay tuned for that video. We'll be boiling that up and straining it out. You don't get much because there's not too much left there, but we'll go ahead and refrigerate this, get it nice and cool. But let's go ahead and try a little here. A little salt. Alright, here's the goat cheese. And that is good. So good. Happy birthday to me. And just in case you're wondering, a little over 3 pounds. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and divvy it up and put it in vacuum bags. All vacuum sealed and ready for the freezer. Alright, so that's how you make goat cheese using only distilled vinegar. So, once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
Alright, Olaf. We'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.